This video will teach you how to use images to generate 3D models in Hitem3D. First, on Hitem3D Home General, you can choose between Image-to-3D and Multi-View to 3D, or you can also click on the Creative Space page to proceed, and you'll also see some notes on image upload. For best results, use images with clear focus, a full subject view, a single subject, and a clean background. Avoid blurry or multiple subjects, and steer clear of occluded or busy backgrounds. Supported formats are JPG, JPEG, PNG, and WEB, with a maximum size of 20 megabytes. You can either click or drag to upload your image. I'll use one of the example images. There are also two model versions, v1.5 and the latest v2.0. Among them, v1.5 offers 4 resolutions to choose from, while v2.0 provides the highest 1536 and 1536 Pro resolutions. For the generate type, you can choose either geometry plus texture or just geometry. For now, I'll select geometry, and then click generate. Please wait a moment. Your modeling work is complete. The effect is absolutely stunning, and the structural reconstruction is surprisingly precise. If you want to generate textures, you can also click here to continue. This way, you'll get a textured model. And v2.0 generates brand new PBR texture models, and it can intelligently remove the light and shadow. The details are very well reproduced overall. That's it. You've just completed an experience of 3D modeling using images.